What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So, you guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand, all right. I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that, all right. I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long. Now, the last scale in the series was E flat. If you go by the circle of fifth, the next one is B flat. So this is how it is with the left hand. This is how it is with the right hand. This one is a bit tricky because notice with the right hand you start off with your fourth. Alright, so just bear that in mind, alright? I do believe personally that the B flat is probably one of the hardest scales to coordinate with both hands, but it is possible with practice, alright? So this is what it sounds like with both hands. And as always, do it with the metronome.